Boom, boom, boom.
Double time.
Ang hirap kaya ilugan.
Kami pa ni Van, sabay na kamay. Ang hirap
Ay,
ilugan. Si Van ganun.
Well,
Nacho ako! Nacho!
who's calling your family ba? Your mom?
Parang nasado eh.
Bakit?
Wala yung dalawa
Ano
sa
si
likod.
Pohas? Ano si Pohas sa likuran?
May sarili ko. May sarili ko.
Okay, cut. Let us cut the pain. You see, Miguel, di ba what I was telling you since last Saturday? You've lost the sense of fun in singing. There is no fun in that. I compare you with what Rafael did. Si Iñaki, with a song like that, he's having fun, and it shows. Even if musically, sumasabit, dahil there is a sense of fun, nadadala yung kanta. Miguel, how many times I have to tell you, you have to have a sense of fun. Isa pa na-realize ko, Miguel. Iko-compare kita sa lahat, ang tanda mo. Ang tanda ng dating mo. Yet, you are younger than some of these guys. And sabi ko, bakit parang ang tanda? Nung sabi ko yung epiphany nangyari sa akin kanina. Bakit ganyan? Because ang bigat mo. Ang bigat. You do not come, I wish people will appreciate you more by lightening up. Ang bigat mo, anak. What will I do to make you lighten up? Sayang. Look, hindi, I will not use your height against you. Eh, ano magagawa mo kung tambuhala ka? Hindi ba masabuti na, Diyos ko, between you and Christian, hindi ba? You know, it's a choice between, hindi ba, yung sample size or industrial size. Hindi ba? Hindi ba si Christian pan-sample, hindi ba?
Sa si...
No, si Christian Murkel.
Ito naman pang... Pero ang problema kasi, it's the... Ang laki-laki mo na, ang bigat, you know, when you come in yung, oh dear, oh my. Hindi ba yung ganun yung dating, ang bigat. Yung a song of Neo like that, tapos you open me with the line, this is going to be disastrous. Punyeta, it is a disaster. Or you try doing that on Saturday. Isa pa, Miguel. Na-realize ko. No offense meant, when I put all the guys together, you're the one with the weakest personality in terms of what the media wants to see in you. Okay? Bugoy, Marcadi, Van, melts panty liners. Hansen is a living saint. He's endorsed by the Vatican and the Iglesias. Okay? But ikaw kasi, I wanna know Miguel.
Me too.
I wanna know Miguel. And I can only know Miguel if you have fun. You play. Jesus Christ, I mean, this is, ang ganda, I mean, music is made to enjoy, to be enjoyed. We study it with seriousness, but pag nag-deliver ka, you enjoy. Hindi ba? In the same manner that, Lisel, have fun. Believe in yourself finally. Maniwala ka na sa sarili mo. Same thing with you too, Christina. Because all the rest, alam niyo, there it is going, mauunahan kayo ni Poy. Okay? Mauunahan kayo ni Poy. I mean, that's why I'm so proud of Bunny. Because Bunny is improving by leaps and bounds.
Yes naman.
Di ba? And then ito rin. Okay? The baby bugoy. Yung talagang hanip. Okay? So please. Tsaka remember paglabas ninyo, I need personality. Pagtingin ko sa iyo as a performer, may personalidad ka. You cannot be generic. You cannot be paracetamol. Okay? Hindi yung paglabas ko, ano yan? Paracetamol. Hindi ba? Generic. Hindi ba? Or ano yan? Laundry soap. Yung kailangan pagtingin ko, that's a Miguel. Because may personalidad yan, he represents something. Now, what does Miguel represent? I know what Bugoy represents. I know what Apple represents. I know what Blarney represents. I even